What's up, guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and today we are checking out one of the most incredible B-Class vans on the market today. This is the 2023 Winnebago Revel. With a 3.0 liter eco diesel all-wheel drive platform, this thing's perfect for the open road or off-grid. Y'all have got to come in and check this one out. With all the other features that this Winnebago Revel contains, it is also one of the safest vehicles to drive on the market today. With blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360 camera, makes it a breeze to drive and navigate around. Here in the back of this Winnebago Revel, it's actually unlike a lot of B-Class vans. It's actually got storage underneath the bed with the bed all the way down. On top of that, it does have the full Nautilus water system. It does have a big screen that covers the entire entrance for those nice spring days. It's also got a 3,500 pound towing capacity with a 7-pin adapter already installed. Guys, this Winnebago Revel has absolutely everything you could ever need. With 320 amp hours of lithium batteries, 220 watts of solar, whether you're going off-grid or just at the local tailgate, this thing has you covered. You can run absolutely everything off of solar alone. Guys, we've got this one priced at over $60,000 off MSRP, so it won't last long. Y'all have got to come check us out here at Moix RV in Conway or moixrv.com.